Welcome back to the InfoFlex. Have you ever wondered to make your own digital weighing scale that not only mere weight but also calculates the price automatically? In this video, I will show you how I built a Bluetooth based smart weighing scale using Arduino HX711 module and a mobile phone. This project allows you to connect to your mobile via Bluetooth. Enter the price per kilogram from your phone. Place an item on the scale. Instantly get the total cost displayed on the LCD. To make this, you will need an Arduino board, a load cell with HX711 amplifier, an HC05 Bluetooth module, a 16x2 LCD with I2C interface, and of course, some jumper wires and breadboard. The wiring is pretty simple. Connect the load cell wires to HX711 as follows: red to E positive, black to E negative, white to A negative, green to A positive. Connect the VCC pin of HX711 to 5V, ground to ground, DT pin to Arduino digital pin 2 and SCK pin to Arduino digital pin 3. Connect the VCC pin of the Bluetooth module to 5V, ground pin to ground, TX pin to digital pin 10 on the Arduino, RX pin to digital pin 11 on the Arduino, state pin to digital pin 12 on the Arduino. Connect the VCC pin of the LCD to 5V, ground to ground pin, SDA pin to A4 pin, and SCL pin to A5 pin on the Arduino. Install the HX711 library. I have already installed the library. Now upload the calibration code. Open the serial monitor. And place a known weight and adjust the calibration factor such that we get the exact value of the weight. As I have placed 1 kg weight, so I will adjust the value until I get 1 kg on serial monitor. You can increase and decrease the value by entering plus. The calibration value will be increased by 50, and with negative, the calibration value will be decreased by 50. No need to change the code again and again. Now our HX711 sensor is calibrated. You can see the value in the serial monitor. Download the Arduino app from Play Store. Open the app. As the Bluetooth is not connected, the LCD showing the message. Connect the Bluetooth. When the Bluetooth is connected, it shows message Bluetooth connected on the LCD, and you can see the weight, price and cost on the LCD. Now using a simple Bluetooth keypad app on your phone, you can enter the price per kilogram. The Arduino then multiplies weight price and instantly show the total cost on the display. I placed different item on the load cell. The LCD displayed the weight in kilogram. Then I entered the price from the mobile. After entering the price, you have to enter the hash button, which means the amount is entered and the total price automatically calculated. When we press the steric button, the scale will reset the price. And that's it. A simple but very useful a Bluetooth based smart weighing scale with automatic price calculation. If you enjoyed this project, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more DIY electronic projects. Drop your questions in the comment below. See you in the next video.